goodness. What is this is a fluff ball. What is he? What's his name? Bear?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yes, my daughter has Noodle.
Chicken and noodle. Noodle and chicken. Well, does chicken ever have a cookie?
I don't know. You could try it. What is that, chicken?
Are you gonna bite me?
No, he won't
Oh,
bite.
he won't bite. That's what
He's
the
a-
other lady said. Oh, look at him.
Oh, you gonna get a cookie?
He likes well, he likes to smell cookies.
Yeah.
I'll tell you
Oh.
what, he can have this later on when he
Okay.
gets home.
I will definitely pass that
All
on
right,
to
does he
him.
bite?
No, but he's just afraid of everybody because he's a COVID dog.
Oh, a COVID dog.
Yeah.
Oh, what's
You know, we were home.
Well, look at him. He's just a cutie. Be well.
Thank you.
You look at that dog.